Morning, Hornets. It's a wonderful Wednesday here at VCHS. We're your hosts. I'm Joe Stockwell.
And I'm Brendan Kins here. Start with today's lunch. Today we will be having corn dog bites with baked beans, carrots, cucumbers, chips, strawberries, and bananas, and of course a cold milk.
Tomorrow we'll be having a bake sale in the math hallway. We are working to build up the VCHS food pantry. All money will be going towards purchasing food items.
Or you can make food donations at the sale.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hi, my name is Jace, and here's your top 5 news stories. Number 1, a GoFundMe has raised $20,000 for pizza delivery driver who walked a quarter mile through deep snow to deliver pizza. Number 2, Kansas saw record low traffic facilities in 2024. Number 3, the current tuberculosis outbreak in Kansas City area is becoming of the largest in recent times. Number 4, Netflix launches a new season with the download button. Number 5, the Mona Lisa will get its own room under a major renovation of the Louvre. Have a great day, Hornets.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
This week's word of the week is nuance. A subtle difference in or shade of meaning, expression, or sound.
Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. Albert Einstein.
Let's see what some of our Hornets' favorite shoe brands are.
It's Lorna, and my favorite shoe brand is Adidas. They're just really comfy.
I'm Tayden, and I'd probably say Nike.
My name's Byron Rader, and my favorite shoes are Morels.
My name is Quinn Fehrenbach, and my favorite shoe brand is Converse.
My name is Harrison West, and my favorite shoe brand is Air Jordan.
And we want to say congratulations to our chess team for our first place finish at the Wichita tournament. Getting a little more chilly out today. Let's take a look at today's temperatures.
Hello, I'm Dart, and today's high is 44 and the low is 26. Have a great day.
And now it's time for a quick blast of the past. We review this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
February 5th, 1937. President Franklin D. Roosevelt proposes boosting the number of justices on the U.S. Supreme Court. He pushes the plan after the court strikes down key parts of his New Deal program during the Great Depression.
The court itself can best undo what the court has done.
But critics accuse Roosevelt of trying to pack the high court, and he suffers his first major defeat in Congress. 1994. In Mississippi, Byron Della Beckwith is convicted of murdering civil rights leader Medgar Evers more than 30 years earlier. Beckwith, a white supremacist, gets life in prison. He dies behind bars nearly 7 years later. 1914, William S. Burroughs, one of the writers during the Beat movement of the 1950s, is born in St. Louis. 1967.
No, we're going to do a little ditty that's going to make everybody happy, Tom.
I'm not.
The Smothers Brothers Comedy Hour, the TV variety show for the 60s counterculture, premieres on CBS. And 1934.
That ball is going to be out of here. It's gone.
Baseball Hall of Famer Hank Aaron is born in Mobile, Alabama. Today in history, February 5th. Ross Simpson, The Associated Press.